Hello, massage chair.
I'm here.
Massage on.
Power on.
Okay. Kung gusto mo ng upgrade, we have the Relax Comfort. Ang highlight nito ay yung SL Track system, kaya mas follow niya yung natural curve ng spine mo for a deeper and more natural massage. Meron itong 16 auto programs at 4 manual massage modes. Kaya ikaw na yung bahala kung gusto mo ng full automatic relaxation and customized massage. So ito yung maganda sa Comfort. SL Track na siya. Then meron siyang 16 auto na massage. Ayan, may boss,
I'm here.
senior, sleep, and then meron extension, release, and vigor. So yung focus naman ay merong shoulder, back, and waist. So iba-iba, hanggang 16, meron Thai, Chinese, and Asian massage. Then meron siyang 4 manual massage. Meron siyang lead knock, shiatsu, and top. So ayan, and then meron din siyang heating. Yan, so
Heating
para sa
on.
mga dinidismenorrhea, yan, pwede yan. Meron din siyang zero gravity.
Zero gravity level 1.
Yan, hanggang level 10 zero gravity.
Zero gravity level 2.
Yan. May AI voice command din, plus Bluetooth function para makinig ka ng music habang nagre-relax. So try natin yung kanyang Bluetooth.
Bluetooth connected.
Okay, Bluetooth connected. Then, check the music. So maganda to habang nanonood ka or nanonood ka ng Netflix or nakikinig ng music. Siyempre, nandyan pa rin ang buttocks roller massage, heating function at armrest button for easy control. Sa Relax Comfort, na, sa mga massage chair natin ay meron silang charging port and then ito yung armrest control niya. Yan. Truly the perfect balance of comfort and technology. Okay.